Hello everyone, welcome to the NVM YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Node.js on Linux using NVM, in a step-by-step guide. Before getting started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Node Version Manager, NVM, is a tool that allows you to easily install and manage multiple versions of Node.js on your system. It's handy for developers who need to work with different versions of Node.js for multiple projects. Let's get started. Step 1. Install NVM. Use this command to install the NVM script to your user account easily. The code is written in the caption. Now to use NVM, you must first source this file. Step 2. Get the versions list. Run the following command to list the available Node.js versions. From this list, identify the version of Node.js you want to install. Step 3. Install the preferred Node.js version. Run the following command to install the selected Node.js version. In this video, we install the last, iron, version, so we write ls/iron instead of version. Step 4. Set active Node.js version. Run the following command to set the active Node.js version. In this video, NVM use version 20.9.0. Replace version with the version of Node.js you want to use as your default. Step 5. Verify Node.js installation. Run the following command to verify the active Node.js version. If the command returns the correct version number, the installation was successful and you can start using Node.js to develop your projects. If you have any questions or ideas, don't hesitate to write them down in the comments.